Ready, and they're set. Racing in the Bart Cummings, and rearing and missing the start in the middle of the line there was Annus Mirabilis, and goes straight over their heels to the rails. Jim's Journey, one of the first to show. Crafty Cruiser got away well, so did 4 Carat, the favourite, down near the inside. From the middle draws, Ginger Boy goes forward and Felamonte is going with him, and wider was Genuine Lad, and Spur on Gold is right up there on the speed, being followed by Tremec. So as they run down towards the judge, a good battle going on for the lead here. Now let's see, Poppin Scotch has gone back. He's third or fourth last, and Renew was behind him. So they're heading to the 2200 metres now. Genuine Lad has it. From up in second, placing Spur on Gold. In third spot on the rails came Ginger Boy, who's got into a good spot there, followed by Felamonte and Tremec as a neck away the outside. They're being followed by 4 Carat, who's about 7th on the inside, so he's getting a pretty good trail. Ahead then of Jim's Journey, Wexford Town, and then came Red Fella over on the outside as they race along the riverside of the course. Back behind those horses then, Renew, still a fair way back. Genuine Lad's out 3 wide at the moment. He's on the back of Wexford Town. Jim's Journey's getting a nice trail. He's ahead of Disclaimer, and back behind them is Crafty Cruiser, and down on the inside was Packing Empire, Sassen Kyle, Poppin Scotch, who's a fair way back in the field. Renew's out 3 wide around at the moment, the Little Engine and Annus Mirabilis, and back last of all was Cuban Fighter. So now they've put the 1400 metres behind them, and Genuine Lad has gone around and taken up the running. So Genuine Lad by a length. Spur on Gold is second, Ginger Boy is third, Wonder Felamonte in third placing, 2 lengths Tremec, 4 Carats on the rail being followed then by Wexford Town. Jim's Journey is about 6 off the leader, being followed by Red Fella. Back behind those horses then is Disclaimer over on the outside in the pale blue. He's out wide, and then Crafty Cruiser at the 1000 metres. Poppin Scotch about 8 lengths away from the lead, and they're being followed by Packing Empire, Sassen Kyle, Renew, and then came the Little Engine. Back to the end of the field, Annus Mirabilis and Cuban Fighter. Genuine Lad on the run around the home turn, and the Bart Cummings led narrowly from Spur on Gold, and Tremec's gone up very deep on the course to challenge at the 600 metres. Felamonte is just behind these horses with Jim's Journey. Wexford Town coming around the outside. Cassidy looking for a way through down near the inside on 4 Carat, and Ginger Boy saved all the ground. He hugged the rails and he's joined in. So passing the 400, and Ginger Boy using the inside, and Jim's Journey out wide of the 2 leaders ahead of Tremec. Here's Crafty Cruiser starting to run on fairly well, and the Little Engine comes with him. It's Jim's Journey from Tremec, and Ginger Boy kicking back on the inside ahead of the Little Engine. 150 to go. Ginger Boy and Jim's Journey, Tremec, and now the Little Engine joins in. Mows them down, and the Little Engine got up and won it by half to Jim's Journey. Photo third, Tremec or Ginger Boy. They were clear then to Sassen Kyle, Crafty Cruiser, Red Fella, and further back in the field then was Wexford Town. They were followed then by Poppin Scotch, and back behind them Annus Mirabilis. 4 Carat didn't go on from Fella